Hi, my name is Nayab and I'm a digital artist. I do share art tutorials on my channel, but this is not an art tutorial. I'll do some unboxing, maybe my workspace tour, and I'll share the gadgets that I use to record my videos. Here is the quick unboxing of my iPhone 17 Pro Max that I got in 256 GB and silver color. And how can I forget about this screen protector? I mean, that's compulsory. And the video you were watching till now was recorded with this DJI Osmo Pocket 4 camera, and this clip that you're watching now is recorded with iPhone 17 Pro Max, and you can clearly see the difference between these two cameras. And I just upgraded my normal table to the height adjustable one because I needed this. And I'm the person who can easily get tired, so I can easily adjust the height and I can just stand up and do my work. And here is the tripod that I use for the work, and these lights, which are the rope lights, are not that prominent in real as it's showing in the video. I don't know what's the reason, but yeah. And this is how it looks on the top of my table. Enjoy. And I got these chest drawers customized from a local furniture shop. I just keep all my devices in these drawers, like for the shooting, for recording, the cameras, mic, my all other devices like MacBook, my iPads, and chargers, etc. Everything here. And for the voiceovers, I use DJI Mic Mini 2 microphones. These are the best microphones I ever had. And if you're gonna make a good purchase, just go for the DJI Mic Mini 2. These are the amazing ones. In another drawer, I just kept my bandages and some extra lights, my mobile holders, my mobile cases, and tripods, extra lights, iPad holder, everything. And in the third one, I just kept my devices, boxes. I don't want to throw them, I don't know why, but I will keep them. And here is the laptop stand that I don't use frequently. Of the table, I used more warm lights, and behind my MacBook I use this neon butterfly light. Well, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video, and do let me know if you have any suggestion for this setup. Okay, bye.